In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a video wallpaper in Samsung Galaxy. Go to your phone settings. In phone settings, go down and tap on wallpaper and style. Here, you have to tap on your lock screen preview. Tap on wallpapers. And here, select video. Now from your gallery, go ahead and select the video that you want to use as your wallpaper and tap on done. And here we can see the video wallpaper live preview. Now just tapping on done. And now I'm going to lock my phone. And here we can see I've successfully added a video wallpaper in my lock screen. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.